Hello friends, in last part we have discussed about the variables and downloads. So please check out that videos. In this part we will discuss about data types in Python. So let's start. There are 8 types of data types in Python. I have listed it down. So we will check this one by one, telling you all data types, and we will start from numeric types in today's video. There are 8 data types in Python. First is numeric types. It contains int, float, complex. Second is text type, that is string. Third is sequence types, that contains list, tuple, range. Fourth is mapping type, that contains dict. Fifth is set type, set, frozen set. Sixth is boolean type, bool. Seventh is binary type, bits, byte array, memory view. And eighth is none type and none type. So these are 8 type of built-in data types in Python. So we will start from numeric type. I am writing down numeric types. So first we will start from int. So in numeric data types we are taking int. Int or integer is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimal. That is called int data type, and it can contain length to any numbers. It can be of unlimited length. Let's take an example, like I am defining x equal to 1, then y equal to, I am defining a big number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6. This is also int, and I am defining negative number like minus 34. So this is also in int. Now I am printing it. Print x, print y, print z. Shift enter. So it is giving the int values. If we have to check the type of the function, so I am again typing print type type x. I am copying this. This is showing end. I am printing the x, sorry, y, and I am printing z, and I am printing type of this. It is showing class int. Now we understand the float. Float is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. So let's take an example. A equal to 1.1, b equal to 1.0, and c equal to minus 220.21. and I can also give the in e form, like power of something like 35, scientific number 35 e 3. If we print this, like I am printing this, print a, b and c, and also d, what it will give? It is giving a float value. This is already converted. We have given in scientific form, it is already converted in decimal form. Now we will check the type, print type of any one of this, like a. So it is giving float value. So in this way we can define floats. This is inbuilt data types in numeric form. Third is complex number. So I am defining some number we have not defined earlier. So I am giving e2 plus 5j. In this form we define complex number. I am printing this, print e, and print type e. Shift enter. So it is giving complex, and this it is printing 2 plus 5j. So this is complex number. Now we can typecast the numeric in different, like int to float, or float to int, and string to float. So let's see. This is called typecasting. How we can do that? Typecasting of variable of classes in Python. How we can do this? Let's take an example. I am defining f equal to int of 1. So what it will give? This is giving int 1. I also can define equal to a float of 1. I can define h equal to, I am taking some string number to int 3. This is 3 is a string I have defined in quotations, so this is a string, but I am converting it into int. How is converting? By writing int before the braces. Now print f comma g comma h, shift enter. So what it is giving? It is giving 1, and this we have converted f, it is giving 1, g we have converted to 1, this is giving 1.0. I have given integer here, but it converted to float 1.0, and int, it is, I have given string, but it converted into 3. You can write it separate also, but I have write it in one to show you. So in this way we can typecast. Let's take another example also. I am taking variable I equal to, I am taking continuously f, g, h, a, b, c, d, because if we take the previous variable, then it will show some different value as I have already taken earlier. So I am taking it sequence wise, a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I. Let's take example, like I am giving str. We will discuss in next lectures. I am just taking example. I am giving a string and I am giving 1 to this. So what it will convert? String is 1 is the integer, but I am converting it to string. I am printing I, shift enter. What it is giving? 1. And if I print type of I, so what it is giving? It is giving us the string, but I have given one integer to I, but I have converted it into a string, so it is giving, it is now 1 is a string, so it is not a numeric number, it is a text number now. So in this way we can typecast the variables from int to float. Now we try to convert our complex number to some int or float. Like I have taken here e. E is our complex number. E was our complex number. Let's take an example. E, j equal to int to e. We are converting e. E was earlier 2 plus 5j. So now I'm converting j to int. To what will happen? Enter. Error. Int argument must be string, a bytes-like object, or a real number, not complex. So we cannot convert complex number to int form. Let's convert it to float. Float e. So again it is showing error. If we type, let's type print type of e. I have typed here. So it is showing complex number, but we cannot convert complex number to int or float. Now we understood the random number. Python does not have a random function to make a random number, but Python has an inbuilt module called random and can be used to make random numbers. Means we can take any number by using random module. So how we are using this? So we have to import this module. I am giving you an example how to import a module in Python. So first we have to write import and then shift enter. We have to run this. Now this random is imported. It hasn't shown an error, so means this is imported. Now we want to print a random number or range number. So how we will write? We will write print. We write random dot rand range, and we have to define range in braces like 1 to 10 or 9, I say, and shift enter. So what it is giving? It is giving a number between 1 to 9 randomly. So what random module is doing? Random module is giving us a random number between 1 to 9, as we have defined 1 to 9 range. Again, if I am printing the same and shift enter, so now it is giving 4. So randomly it is giving us the number. So this is the random number we can use in Python by using random module. So this is about the numeric data types. In next lecture we will learn string data type. Thank you.